The main goal of this strategy is not the immediate profit, but build market dominance. This strategy is divided into 3 pillars. The first pillar is about market dominance. The aim is to create a market share, create a customer loyalty, and build a heavy barrier for the new entrants. जितना customer volume रहेगा, उतना brand value रहेगा. This is the mantra of the strategy. In early stages, most of the gives a lot of freebies like heavy discount, free delivery, cashback are the tools for changing customer habit. They are essentially paying for you to use their services. This isn't a charity, but designed to create a market share. Investors are the important factor for this first pillar. Without this, these companies can't even survive. Venture capital and private investors are funded operations. These investors aren't looking for the quick profit, but capital appreciations in long term after creating a brand value. After creating brand value, they earn by selling their shares in the IPO or selling their brand with other big brand. और ये अपने investors अपने investments में 10x time or sometime even 100 times कमाते हैं. Now the second pillar, that is building the network. After creating the brand value, इनका second step है कि एक strong network create करना. एक अपनी एक आइडेंटिटी बनाना जिससे दूसरे कॉम्पिटिटर को एंट्री करना ही डिफिकल्ट हो जाए. Creating one stop for everything. This is achieved through the multi-program approach. They invested heavily in technology and investment, and don't focus only on their offering, but create the whole ecosystem and ensures that the customer addicted to their services. For example, Swiggy and Zomato. Earlier they were the delivery apps. After some time, they provide a loyalty program, then the dining services, और अभी even groceries भी sell कर रहे हैं. So that is the market expansion. Now this is the third pillar, that is path to profit. This is the most important pillar in this strategy. एक बार कस्टमर बेस एंड कनेक्शन बनाने के बाद, मार्केट एक्सपेंशन करने के बाद, ये कंपनीज इनकम अर्न करने के स्टेप्स लेते हैं. They do this by reducing the discount, charging the delivery fees, adding the handling charges, and charging the higher commission to the B2B business for their advertisement and brand endorsement. So companies जानते हैं कि कस्टमर के सर्विसेज से एडिक्ट हो चुके हैं, and now they can get a benefit from this. That's the strategy of the loss-making delivery apps e-commerce industry. This is risky, bold, and fascinating business model. Let me know what you think in the comment box, and please like the video and subscribe to my channel Infopedia. Thank you. Bye bye.